We'll guide you through how to use LM Studio in Z. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make absolutely sure that you already have both the Z Code Editor and LM Studio properly installed on your personal computer system. First, open your LM Studio application and carefully load the specific LLM model that you actively want to use today. Navigate securely to the Local Server tab, which is conveniently located directly inside the Developer tab on the left sidebar menu. Firmly click the Start Server button and make absolutely sure to copy the provided local server URL directly to your clipboard. Now, safely open your Z application to smoothly continue the entire setup process. Look closely at the bottom left corner of the main Z application window. You will clearly see a small star icon placed there. Safely click on that specific icon to properly open the main agent panel. Alternatively, you can quickly open this active panel by simultaneously pressing the Ctrl and Shift and / key combination directly on your computer keyboard. Once the main agent panel is successfully opened, carefully look for and accurately choose the Select a Model option. This helpful option is located near the standard send icon, and it will usually automatically detect all of your local AI models perfectly. From the brand new drop-down menu that immediately appears, confidently click on the Configure option to effectively adjust your personal settings. Carefully scroll down completely through the provided configuration list until you clearly see the specific section for LM Studio. Securely paste the exact URL link that we safely copied earlier from LM Studio directly into the provided API URL field. You must absolutely ensure the target path is correct by accurately adding the /API /v0 prefix straight to the very end of that specific URL. After that is set, click on the Connect button and explicitly choose to start a completely new thread. Wait patiently until you clearly see the connected status indicator appear, and then smoothly navigate back into the main agent panel. Accurately choose the specific model that we successfully loaded earlier in LM Studio from your newly available model list. Finally, simply try messaging the AI with a simple greeting command. If the AI responds back to you directly, then you have successfully completed the entire setup.